Good evening sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa PTV, sa Pauka Sports, sa Blow by Blow page. Good evening. Nako, napakagandang episode tong gabing ito kasi kasama natin ang ating WBC Minimum Weight Champion, si Champ Melvin, at ang napakagaling na manager, ang talagang inahangaan ng lahat, no? Dahil ano to, champion maker ito, ang aking brother JC Manangkil. So good evening guys. Tuloy-tuloy na, makinig tayong lahat. Thank you.
Alright, salamat JC. Siyempre, although sa Manila, well, sa Araneta gagawin, ito, taga-Manda, kailangan may taga-Manda. Si Sports Manda, what's up?
Yo, what's up mga tropa pips? Sportsman ang inyong pamansang live commentary here sa second edition ng Vloggers Con. So guys, watch out. We will be interviewing, of course, yung ating mga favorite fighters and they are here right now. Thank you very much. Stay tuned in guys. This is going to be exciting.
Yun. Salamat, Sports Manda.